the vast darkness of the universe, something unseen is holding everything together.
We cannot see it, touch it, or feel it, yet it shapes reality itself. Scientists call it dark matter.
In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin made a shocking discovery.
Stars at the edges of galaxies were moving too fast, dangerously fast. By the laws of physics, they should have flown off into space. But something was holding them in place. An invisible giant wrapped around every galaxy like a ghost.
Only 5% of the universe is normal matter, Hunt, the stuff we know.
But 27% is dark matter, the universe's hidden backbone. Dark matter forms a cosmic web, a skeleton of the universe. Galaxies cling to it, the way raindrops cling to a spider's silk.
Without it, galaxies would tear apart in seconds. We know it's there because of its gravity.
It bends light, like a fingerprint of the unseen. Across the world, detectors wait in silence to catch it, hoping for a collision between dark matter and our world.
So far, nothing.
One theory, WIMPs, Busmir, heavy particles that rarely interact. Another theory, axions, feather-light ghosts of matter.
Dark matter may have formed moments after the Big Bang.
Older than stars, older than galaxies,
older than light itself. A presence without a face.
a force without a voice. Dark matter keeps the universe from falling apart.
Even here, around Earth, it may be passing through us.
Trillions of particles, unnoticed. The universe is stranger than we imagined, and smarter than we expected. Dark matter is the glue of reality. It shapes space itself. It bends the path of photons. It warps the journey of time. It defines the boundaries of cosmic power. And yet, we still do not know what it is.
Every answer births more questions.
Every discovery deepens the mystery. Every step brings us closer, and yet further away. What are we really living inside of? A ghost?
A field? A particle?
Or a doorway to somewhere else?
To understand the universe, we must first understand the invisible. Darkness does not mean absence. Sometimes, darkness means structure. This is dark matter, Capoid, the invisible giant.
Scientists have chased dark matter for decades, but it always slips through our fingers. It does not shine. It does not reflect. It does not emit.
It might pass through planets like ghosts pass through walls. If dark matter vanished, the universe would fall apart in an instant. Gravity would lose its balance. Order would collapse. Some believe dark matter is not matter at all, but a field spread across the universe like a second fabric. Others argue it could be a new kind of gravity we don't yet understand. The universe does not care which answer we choose. It simply continues.
Miles beneath Earth, machines wait for a collision that may never come.
A single particle could change everything. Or it could remain silent forever. Décades. No signal.
What are we missing?
WIMPs, heavy particles that barely interact with anything. If they exist, they are everywhere. Axions, lighter than dreams, harder to catch than a shadow. But what if dark matter comes in many forms? What if the universe is crowded with the invisible? The structure of the universe looks disturbingly familiar. Like the architecture of a colossal mind. Is the universe thinking? Is dark matter the wiring? Or are we imagining patterns where none exist? Some theories point to hidden dimensions. Layers of space we cannot step into. What if dark matter lies in the dimension next door? Close enough to touch, but forever out of reach. For now. Dark matter is older than stars. It existed before light. It sculpted the universe before the universe even had a face. It was the first architect. We are building our world on its foundation. Look deep enough, and you see the fingerprints of the invisible.
Light curves for a reason.
because something is there. And yet, it refuses to show itself. Like a secret the universe is not ready to reveal.
Maybe the next breakthrough will come from a new generation.
From minds unafraid to break the rules of physics.
Or from machines that see patterns we cannot.
Human curiosity meets artificial intelligence. Together, they search the dark.
Billions of galaxies.
Trillions of stars. All held by something we cannot see. Something is watching, not with eyes, but with awareness. Dark matter, the invisible giant. And we have only just begun. What if dark matter is not a thing, but a place? A realm overlapping ours, but just out of reach. A world we cannot enter, but one that shapes ours. A membrane between realities. Something is pulling at everything.
Gravity that should not exist, but does. Without dark matter, the universe falls apart. Stars scatter. Order dies. With it, structure returns.
It is balance. So what is it really?
Particles we've never seen?
An energy field? Something bleeding in from another dimension?
Or a secret?
Deep beneath Earth, detectors wait for a single hit.
A single moment of impact.
False signal. Again.
Hope is not science, but science needs hope. So we continue.
What if dark matter is matter, not from here? A neighboring reality, brushing against ours.
Gravity could leak between worlds. We might be feeling the weight of places we will never see. A universe beside ours, without light.
Visible matter draws the map.
But dark matter lays the foundation.
It stitches galaxies together.
It shapes the cosmic architecture. It gives the universe form.
We do not see it. We see what it does.
We do not touch it. We feel its pull. We do not hear it, but its echo shapes galaxies.
It is the silent engineer.
The invisible architect. The universe is mostly nothing. But the nothing has structure. A structure that does not belong to light. Like tides pulled by a moon we cannot see, the invisible giant stands.
It holds galaxies in its arms.
It shapes the fate of stars.
It decides what survives.
It decides what collapses. It may even decide the future. And we, tiny sparks of consciousness, are trying to understand the infinite.
This is why we search. This is why we question.
Dark matter waits.
What if dark matter is the pulse of the universe?
A rhythm too vast for humans to hear.
We are small, but our questions are not.
We are trying to describe the indescribable.
Trying to map what refuses to be mapped.
If dark matter has a signature, we have not learned to read it.
Every answer becomes another question.
Every failure becomes a clue. We learn from silence. We continue.
Even in chaos, dark matter holds the pieces together.
It absorbs the storm.
It chooses stability.
Or perhaps
It chooses us. New models suggest a hidden architecture. Not random, structured.
Not natural. Designed.
Like instructions. A blueprint we cannot decode. If the universe is a machine, dark matter might be the wiring, carrying something from one galaxy to another.
Information. A conversation across light years.
A message written in gravity. We are not the audience.
We are the interference.
Or the accident.
This is the terror of scale.
And the awe of understanding. We live inside a mystery. A mystery that sees us back. The invisible giant listens.
We are close.
To something.
A whisper from the dark.
Contact. Then nothing.
No particle detected. No collision. But something was there.
Not noise. A response.
The universe answered back. It knows we are watching. It has always known. Dark matter is not hiding.
It is waiting.
It is everywhere, yet nowhere our eyes can see. It binds the universe like invisible architecture. Without it, galaxies would fly apart like sand. Without it, everything shatters. We do not see dark matter. We see what it bends. Gravity is its language. Space is its canvas.
Experiments chase the invisible.
We listen for particles that refuse to speak. If they exist, they pass through planets unnoticed. Or axions, so light they barely exist at all.
Some mistakes lead to discoveries.
We dug deep to escape cosmic noise.
Silence is the cost of listening.
A whisper could change everything. Something moved. But what? Reality or illusion? 85% of matter is missing from our eyes, but not from existence. It sculpts the universe.
Stars follow where dark matter leads.
The universe is not random. It is structured by shadow. Creation begins in the dark.
A new generation asks better questions.
Curiosity expands faster than the universe. One day, we may sail the void itself.
Where dark matter hides, dreams chase it.
Every galaxy, cradled by the unseen. With it, order. Without it, chaos. The biggest truths are unanswered. Understanding begins with wonder. Our universe is stitched with shadows. The fingerprints of an invisible giant. Evidence grows. Answers do not. Humanity has always searched the dark. Some journeys begin with doubt.
Not everything unseen is the same.
Maybe the universe is filled with hidden light.
Maybe with silent weight.
Almost. But not enough.
The threshold of discovery waits. We stand at the edge of something vast. The universe might think in shadows.
What we cannot see still shapes us.
A force without a face.
We don't need certainty to move forward.
The unknown is calling. The answer is out there.
So is the question.
We search because we are human.
Dark matter, the giant we cannot see but cannot live without.